When it comes to estate planning, there are 7 simple steps that allows you to do what we call a comprehensive estate plan. Now, most people that you know will talk about just the legal aspects of asset distribution or talk about the tax planning behind estate planning. But what you've got it wrong is those are 2 of 7 steps. So what I'm doing is I've created what we call the estate planning pyramid. Now, the first 2 steps are the legal and the tax, but there are 5 more aspects to estate planning. One of the most important ones is inheritance. Because when we do the right inheritance structure, we're talking about equalization of assets, making sure that the next generation doesn't feel that they've been cheated on, that there's someone who was treated more or there was favoritism towards some extra child in the house. And that is one very important aspect. So when I do the estate planning seminar, I'll be going deep into each of the balance 5. The 4th one that's very important is charitable work. Now, if you don't do the right charitable planning, your family will not be able to sustain that charity. So estate planning includes charities before you die and after you pass away. You see, estate planning is not just about what happens when you die. It also talks about what happens while you are alive, because you are still part of the estate. And that's why one of the most important aspects is retirement. Your retirement income actually comes out of your estate while you're alive, which could affect inheritance. So the question is, how does your retirement plan affect the inheritance in your estate plan? Your income. Now, we always talk about cash flow, not assets, but cash flow. So how do we ensure that your estate is always generating continuous income? And that income strategy is the most important part of an estate plan. However, that's never discussed when it comes to the legal and tax aspects. And that's why you as a financial advisor need to learn the balance 5. And the last is what we all talk about but haven't figured out, and that is your asset transfer. So we're going to discuss the 7 parts or the 7 aspects of estate planning, which is legal, tax, inheritance, charity, retirement, income, and asset transfer. And you need to know what should you focus on and how do you build the right estate plan.